Hey guys, I'm out here fishing today. It's been a long time since I filmed a video, so I thought I'd go ahead and get one put up. Hopefully today will be a good day and lots of good action. It's finally starting to warm up. Temperature's going to be in the low 80s today. Water temp right now 69 degrees, which is the warmest it has been since I've been out here this year. Today we're going to start off trolling some Shad Raps. I'm going to start out with some Shad Rap number 7s if I can keep them off the bottom. I'm in a little bit shallow water right now. 7.5 feet, moving it up. We got a bite right here, so good start to the day. Let's see what we got. Good start. This is not a big one. It's a little bitty drum. But we've been out here for less than 5 minutes, so we will definitely take anything we can get that quick. Yeah, so you aren't anything to write home about, but you are number 1. You can see let me go ahead and just toss him back. These Shad Rap number 7s. This is for these drum, and that's mostly what we'll be catching today and mostly targeting. This Crawdad, orange Crawdad Shad Rap number 7. I found nothing. You can see this Rapala lure's broken. Yeah, I found no color that hits it quite as well, but I lost a couple of these my last trip out, so I'm kind of short-handed. I've only got the 1.7 in that color, and I've got a couple of 9s. May end up using some 9s today, see how that goes. Over here I've got a red Crawdad. These typically bass like these better. I end up getting more bass on the red Crawdad than I do the drums, but fish kind of has its own color out here. The water clarity where I fish, it goes anywhere from cloudy to super cloudy. It's never clear back here, so I usually do want something with a little bit of color to it. But anyway, I'm gonna get back out here, see how many we can put in the boat, maybe some big ones. So thanks for watching. Alright, I've got something here. Go ahead and get this 9 in. It's not in very far, or out very far, and this will let me turn around and get this fish. Oh, he's pulling out. There he goes. It's a good puller. This is on the Shad Rap 7 orange Crawdad. I'm spinning the boat towards him. In 13 feet of water. Yeah, this is good drum here. Oh, he's running. What's up? He's a netter. Alright, let's see if I can. Where are you going, buddy? Come back. You don't want to run off. You want me to get that hook out. Oh, come on. Yeah. Alright, let's see if I can. What's up there now? Alright. There we go, drum. There we go, buddy. But I'll hold him up. Not a bad fish. Took me a few minutes to get a second one, but we did. Pretty good size. Let's get him back in. Alright, buddy. You ready to go? This was a very light bite here. I had to grab the rod and set the hook myself. This is a tiny. Let's see what we got here. Crappie, small crappie. Below the legal limit crappie. Below the legal limit crappie. There you go, bud. You don't want me holding you? You want back in? Got something here. Small drum. Another small drum. boat traffic through here. Fix that in a second. Let's get you out of here. Let's get you out of here. A little drum. Little bitty drum. Here making noise. Back in. Good here. Good fish. Man. Let's see. Golly, that's a big fish. Try to get this other one in real quick so I can spin around. I'm not going to be able to get him the way he is. Alright. I'm using a Rapala Brat. Dives to 3 feet. I'm in shallow water now. There's so much boat traffic back up there in the deeper water, I decided to come down here. Man, what do I have? Big drum. Big drum. Oh man. This is a good drum. This is a good drum. Alright, this is a heavy drum. Let's see how I'm going to do this. Yeah, this is a big fish. Alright. Big fish. This is what we were after today. This is what we were after. I can't get it. Okay. Easy killer. I gotta find a way to get this hook out of you. Easy killer. Hook 1. Hook 2. Now, how am I gonna measure you? Where you at, buddy? You are 26 1/4. See if I can get a picture of you. Boat shape. All right, now let's try to get a picture of me holding you. Oh, big fish. All right, bud. It's time to get you back in. You're ready. You ready? There he goes. See what we got here. Little something. Another little crappie. Little crappie. Little. Too small. Why are you guys so small? Another crappie. A little bit bigger, but still small. These are little guys. He's not bigger after all. He's a little guy. Little bitty crappie. Little bitty crappie. Little white crappie. There's something here. He's pulling pretty hard. Man, I don't know what he is. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead. He's so big, I can't get it. He's so big, I'm going to go ahead and get this other one in. It's like, don't. Jeez, man. Alright, let me turn around and I'll try to get this guy in here. Let's see what we got. Another big drum on the Brat. Alright. Alright. There you go. Another good drum. Another good fish. Get him back in. See what we got. What do we have here? Bigger largemouth. Bigger. Making a little progress. Already. You've had quite a few hooks in this mouth before, buddy. You are not afraid to go after somebody's bait. I am not the first to hook you. Let's see what we got. I got a face full of water right there. I think it's this is a channel cat. This is a good channel cat. Let me get this other one in. He ain't going anywhere. He's hooked so good. He ain't going anywhere. And he's making a mess. Freaking splat. I'm soaked. I am soaked. Get the glove on for the channel cat. No glove, no love for these guys. You want to see what happens when you don't wear a glove? Watch my last video. Rolling, come on, dude. Big channel. I'm gonna net you. I'm not gonna be able to get you up here without it. Alright. Size channel. Quit rolling. Alright. See if I can do something with this now. Woo! Decent. Another cat. Another good channel cat. Not a big one, but decent. Man, oh man. This out of the way. Another channel. Channel cat. Splashing channel cat. Easy. Easy, buddy. Easy, easy, easy. Alright, another channel. Whew, another channel. Alright, let's get him back in. Little drum. Little, smallest drum of the day. It is. Nice big drum. Alright. Get him back up here. Get you up here. Oh, no. Do not flip out. Alright, here we go. See if I can pick him up. Alright. Nice big drum. Alright. Easy, easy, easy. I'm putting you back in. Easy. Alright. There you go. Off to the races, buddy. Off to the races. You're back in the water. You can go. There you go. Alright. Takes them a minute to realize they're back in the water. But that's it for today. We caught a whole lot of drum. We caught some tiny bass. We caught some tiny crappie. And we caught some pretty decent channel cats. So hopefully as the weather gets better, I'll get out here, make some more videos. Enjoy doing it. And catch some more fish. But thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Have a good one.